Okay, students, so I'm making a quick video to show you how to do the bulb page. It is fairly simple. You're on the commercial photography page, and you will go over here to assignments. And if you haven't already turned it in, I should have had this done, but it says create a bulb page right here. And it says go, after you watch the tutorial, create a bulb page. So there's the link, and you go over here, and here's your the bulb page. Well, you can actually just click this, and it will automatically take you to your bulb page, and you're logged in. And the first thing you're going to do is create, or not, because it's just like, so create a page, and you're going to add a cover image. You just do an internet search of stuff. For engineering, I expect you to put in the page one there for something to do with engineering. For everybody else, if it's for commercial photography, do something that does with commercial photography. And just put a type of page. So example, a page. And now that's pretty much done. I'm going to share it. Make sure I share it to Katie ISD. Create a private link. Click this clipboard right here and copy that link. Apply those share settings so that Katie ISD people can log in. And now I need to go and go back home. Go to a student view and go to my assignments. So this is what it will look like for you when you go to the bulb page. And then start assignment, and all you're going to do is paste that URL right there, submit assignment, and that's it. You're done. All right. I hope this found you helpful.